Okay, we can make a 3 by 3. It's not hard. First, what we're going to do, we can make a box from anywhere. Cube. Turn my polar back on here. 180, length of 30. Not hard. Make lines from the corner, spanning in each direction by 10. Oop, that was 110. 10. And then make sure it says Z plus. 10. Easy. Slice. Here. 3 points. Here. Make sure there's one on the Z. And then just anywhere else on polar. You just slice this piece here from the midpoint. Make sure you have that in the object snap. Ooh, crud. Let's try that again. Slice here. 3 points here. Vertical. By 180. Slice all of them. 3 points from here. Z plus. 270. Slice the last 3 over here. Midpoint. Remember to hit 3 points every time. Z plus. 270. Slice all 6 of these. Or sorry, 8 of these. From here. Anywhere that's on polar. Got to hit 3 points. Slice all 8. 3 points. This endpoint. Polar. Polar. Space. That gives us all our bottom cubies. Slice our top 8. Make sure not to highlight all of them this time, because that'll just hit the bottom ones too. 3 points from the midpoint. Make sure you get the right one. Here. Now, that'll make all of our cubies. What you want to do here, you want to take this one. Why did it do that? Delete it. Take the one behind it. Move it from its corner to this corner. Easy as that. Now, what we're going to want to do here, we're going to want to copy these 3. Oh, wait, dang it. Copy this 2 by 2 section here. Last piece. Here. Darn it. Why the... keep doing that? Orbit. Got a little look in here. Make a line from this intersection here to this endpoint right here to get our center. Make a sphere from the midpoint of this line so it's directly in the center. Radius of 12. Comes out like this. Now you're going to want to take this, orbit around it, to where you're literally just left with one corner, one edge, and one center, and the center sphere. Now comes the fun part. Copy this from here to here. So now we got 2. Now first what we do, subtract from these 3, space, and then our sphere, space. That's going to cause this to have all the cuts we need. However, we're going to need to slice it up again. So slice here, 3 points here, straight across 270, z-axis. Slice here, space here, 0. 3 points. Slice here, space, 3 points. Our intersection here, 0 degrees, z-axis. Now, here we're left with this. We have our center piece mainly done. Corner is going to need an attachment on it. However, we're basically going to scrap this entire thing. Make sure you get rid of that too. So now we have our edge piece, which needs our little center hookup, and our corner. Okay, so what we're going to do over here, see if we can zoom in on this one a little bit. There we are. Make a line from the top over here, and out this way 180 by 3. Come down this way, 270, 10, z-axis 10, come over here by 6. Delete this, make a box from this endpoint that we just made all the way up to this corner point. That should do it there. Now center, we already got our center. Now here comes the fun part. We're going to want to go mirror 3D off of this object here, 3 points, go off here, here, and here. We're basically choosing the point that it's going to mirror. Just going to do it again. Mirror 3D, this one, 3 points, bottom, edge, or corner, whatever, this corner, space. It's going to make that for us. Now, we're going to use all this to make our corner pieces and the rest of our edge pieces. So we're going to orbit around here a little bit. Now, first thing we're going to do, we're going to go slice on the sphere. 3 points. On this one, use the 3 most points you can see. Delete that, and delete this. Orbit again. Slice what's left of our sphere. 3 points. Corner, corner, corner. Delete that, delete this. And of course, get rid of our baselines we made to make that piece. Now here, the only pieces we need. First what we're going to do is we're going to slice our sphere by 3 points. Corner, corner, corner. That's going to give us that. So what we're going to do now is going to type union to combine these two objects. Now here's our corner piece. Now, we also want to slice what's left of our sphere here by 3 points, by the corners. Get rid of this. Now, union again on these two. That's going to make our little divot in our edge piece. So, give here, let's orbit around here. Let's move this by the corner. If it would line itself up onto this corner. Now we're going to rotate 3D here. So our axis is 270. And if I'm not mistaken, it's 270. Yes. Take this, we're going to move it by this midpoint and put it on our edge piece midpoint. We can type union. I'll highlight what's on our edge piece. It'll put both parts. Hit space. Now that will make it to where we literally have 2 of the 3 pieces done. Go ahead and take this, change that to red, edge piece, change that to cyan, and now here comes the fun part. Copy here, over here, just base points in case we mess up. Make a line here, make a cylinder from anywhere, radius of 2.25, height of -10, that way it goes down. Take this, we're going to want to move it. Make sure under Object Snap your center's turned on. From the center here, to the midpoint on this, I'm going to make a union. Come on. There we go. So now I have this entire thing. Remember, we're not done with this yet, because we're still going to make the center cap. Zoom in on this a little bit. There we go.